How do you connect Google Search Console with your Google Analytics account? Now, it would be so easy if all these googly things talk to each other, but you gotta connect them together yourself. Go set up Google Search Console. I've got a video on how to actually set up Google Search Console for your website. And then once that is done, you'll need to go into your analytics to connect the Search Console with your analytics and marry those two together. So let's get started. Open up your Google Analytics account, and what you're gonna do is look at the acquisition section, open that up, and down there is going to be a section for Search Console. Now you're gonna need to click at least something in there. So click landing pages or whatever, and it's gonna tell you, whoa, you gotta set up Search Console data sharing. So just click the button and it will literally walk you through. So you need to make sure that this URL matches the URL that you're using for Google Search Console. Don't enter my numbers into your stuff. And so then you just wanna go through these things and figure out like what is everything that you want on there. I want my demographics report. I want in-page analytics. So I'm gonna go ahead and click save. Go here to your property under admin settings and go to all products. And it's gonna allow you to link this to other products. So if you're using Google Ads, AdSense, etc., you'll be able to link those. Now you wanna scroll all the way down to Search Console and you're gonna click on Link Search Console. So from this screen, you're gonna click add, and then it's gonna open up all the properties that are available. So you wanna select the one that matches your Google Analytics account. Now to check that it worked, you're gonna go back to all products and you'll be able to see up here that this product is linked. So once everything's connected correctly, now you're gonna have all of this data for the landing pages. If you have any questions about how to do this, please let me know.